Hey guys, I'm Chef Adrianne and I'm here to show you the perfect grilled cheese. Not just the perfect grilled cheese, what chefs crave when they make a grilled cheese. We're gonna start off with a potato bread. I like to use potato bread because it just browns and toasts so beautifully. And I like to use whipped butter. Don't use margarine, don't use anything else, just nicely whipped butter. All right, so we kind of put this on the outside of the bread. And we put this down on a grill. You can use a saute pan, but I like to use a grill because it's more uniform in heat. So then we're going to layer on there pepper jelly. Now, pepper jelly, what happens is it adds a sweetness and a spice, which contrasts very beautifully with all the cheeses. After all, it's maximum flavor. So now we start adding American cheese, about 3 slices. And I like to use alternating colors because for that cheese pool, you know, we got to do it for the gram. So a couple of slices of the white, then we add our other slice of potato bread. Throw a little bit of butter right on top again, and then we put it down about 1 to 2 minutes, okay? Then I like to serve it with a little bit of fresh arugula because guess what? That peppery flavor contrasts very well. Here we go. There you have it. Oh boy, whew. So good.